Hey, it's been a while. Just thought I would come out, show my very sad Tithonia, which was, I don't know, I think it was almost 14 feet tall. It was extremely tall. But it's not that tall anymore. Let's see. Because it's now on the ground. Okay, I drove out this morning and it's basically broken half at the base. And I had thought it might. I had seen it leaning, and we've had a lot of rain and storms lately, so I was expecting something, but not a basil snap. Very frustrating. It was gorgeous. Look, so gorgeous. Plus, there's even a bumblebee out there on what remains of this gorgeous plant. Very sad.